You are going to love the 2014 XB. The Scion XB, built under the Toyota nameplate, has almost single-handedly shaped the market for the boxy, city-driven vehicle. The XB offers exceptional cargo space for a vehicle of this size. Combined with the nimble acceleration and Toyota reliability, this vehicle will prove itself time and time again. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, fog lamps, front-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, steel wheels, integrated turn signal mirrors, wheel covers, brake assist, Bluetooth. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.